Zdravo svima, hello guys, today we have Leo Venturas from 1993. This is maybe the most recognizable Kinder Surprise set, and in that period of time in 1993 that set was in sale for over 1 year. For example, in last 10 years or so you have some sets that are in sale for very limited period of time because there are always new series coming on sale in Kinder Surprise X. There is 10 figurines in this set, and this set has variants in color and in code. Sometimes it's both and sometimes only the code is different, and there is many different codes for each figurine. And for this figurine, for example, this A16, it is the number of mold, so we must presume that there is at least 16 different variants in codes and an X number of variants in color, so there is maybe between 200 and 300 variants. This figurine has, for example, A9, and this figurine has A8. And this is the last figurine. As you see, there is color variant of butterfly net. Also the eye is smaller and bigger. And also the code is different. There is only one paper for each figurine, so every figurine has a paper like this, but there is a lot of paper variants from different countries all around Europe. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you all for watching and have a beautiful day.